Hello children, I am your Bridget ma'am to teach you your first poem on something told the wild geese. So far you have done all English lessons. You have completed 2 lessons. Now let us read and understand a poem on something told the wild geese. The writer of this poem is Rachel Lehman Field. This short poem tells of the geese that in spite of still seeing the golden fields of summer, can feel the urge to begin their winter migration. Something tells them that frost and snow are on the way and it is time to fly. Even though the summer sun is on their wings, there is winter their cry. Now, I am going to read the poem for you. I'm going to read a poem for you. Reading a poem is very different from reading a lesson. So pay attention, listen, and try imagining the scene and effect of the poem the poet wants her readers to feel. Something told the wild geese. Something told the wild geese it was time to go. Though the fields lay golden, something whispered snow. Leaves were green and stirring, berries luster-glossed, but beneath warm feathers, something cautioned frost. All the sagging orchards steamed with amber spice, but each wild breast stiffened at remembered ice. Something told the wild geese it was time to fly. Summer sun was on their wings, winter in their cry. Now, let us go through the words, the new words that is given below. Wild geese. Geese are migratory birds, that is birds that moved from cold countries to warmer places to avoid the winter. Leaves were green and stirring. The leaves were still full of life and moving in the wind. Luster-glossed, ripe and shining. Cautioned, warned. Sagging orchards. Trees in the orchard were heavy and bending with the weight of ripe fruits. Steamed with amber spice, covered in a golden brown color. Each wild breast, the heart of each bird in the flock, stiffened at remembered eyes, became stiff with fear at the thought of the cruel winter. Summer sun was on their wings. They could feel the warm summer sun on their wings. Winter in their cry, the calls of the birds seem to say that winter has almost arrived. I hope you have gone through the words with me and understood the meaning of each word that is given in the extract of the poem. Now, I'm going to dictate the comprehension answers. First, I will read the question for you, and then I'll dictate the answers of your comprehension, and then let us do it together. Be ready with your pen and copy. Are you ready to start, children? All right. So, let me start. Number 1. Something told the wild geese it was time to go. What does something refers to? Answer A. Something refers to the mysterious way of nature. B. Why did the birds have to go? The birds had to go to avoid winter. Number 2. What is the season? How do you know? Season is winter. The season that were experienced at the moment by the birds was summer. as talked about in the first stanza of the poem. Why does the thought of ice frightens the birds? Answer 3. The thought of ice frightens the birds because they cannot survive in severe winter. 4. Extract. Something told the wild geese it was time to fly. Summer sun was on their wings, winter in their cry. A. Answer your question. Where will the wild geese fly to? The wild geese will fly to the place of sunshine. B. How do you know that the geese do not enjoy winter? The geese do not enjoy winter as quoted in the line of the poem as the wild bee breast stiffened at remembrance, ice. Now, think and answer. B. In the poem, why do you think the poet chose not to say what the something is? Now listen, children. This question you will answer yourself and yourself as what you think could be the poet's thought according to you. Your homework, write the think and answer. Number 2, write the poem, draw and color of geese. Write the word meaning and learn handwriting. Practice writing a page of good handwriting. I hope I have covered all the questions that could be had from this poem. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.